jury in Karen Reed's second murder trial is getting another look at that snowy crime scene and the infamous Google search about dying in the cold.
Day 11 of testimony featured a state police investigator and a digital expert, both called by the prosecution. NBC 10's John Maroney joins us live from Denham with a look at what happened in court today. John.
Glenn, good evening. We heard a lot of testimony about facts, figures, and previous statements, and those are the kinds of things that can make or break a case for either side.
That is a black Nike shoe.
John O'Keefe's sneaker shown to the jury, along with broken taillight pieces. The items retrieved from the snowy front yard where the Boston police officer was found. His girlfriend, Karen Reed, has pleaded not guilty to hitting him with her SUV and leaving him there to die after a night of drinking.
I work for the Massachusetts State Police.
State Trooper Connor Keefe testified to his role in the investigation, such as gathering evidence as well as witnessing O'Keefe's autopsy. Under cross-examination of the trooper, David Yannetti was able to let jurors know the medical examiner hasn't ruled O'Keefe's death as a murder.
And you gave her information, if you don't want to call it input, correct?
Yes.
And at the end of it, you left without her ruling it a homicide, correct?
Objection.
The contentious Google search, "How long to die in the cold" by Jennifer McCabe, resurfaced. A digital expert for the prosecution who testified at the first trial, Jessica Hyde, said the search didn't happen at 2:27 in the morning, as the defense maintains. She says it happened later, around the time McCabe and Reed found O'Keefe's body.
That search occurred at 6:24 a.m. and was the last search in the tab that had been opened at 2:27.
Under cross-examination, Robert Alessi challenged her findings regarding the Google search at 2:27.
Your opinions on what is the meaning of that timestamp have varied from May of 2023 until today. Is that correct?
No, that is incorrect.
Now the jury went home early for a second day with Judge Beverly Cannoni telling them they are ahead of schedule. This trial is now into its third week. Well, live in Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.
All right, John, remember NBC 10 Boston is your source for Karen Reed's second murder trial. We're carrying court proceedings live every day on our sister station, NECN, and streaming it on our YouTube page. Then join us for the day's recap every weeknight at 7 on Canton Confidential. And on our show, we will answer your questions, just like we did in the first trial. You can send us questions for the experts at canton.confidential@nbcuni.com.